I'm going to show you how to descale the HiBrew H10A Espresso machine. I've been using this machine for a year now, and it's time for a little maintenance. I'm going to use this DeLonghi descaling solution, but you can use any brand. Just make sure to follow the recommended ratio. For this one, it's a 1:10 ratio. I like this one because it's convenient and has measurement marks on the bottle. One bottle can be used 5 times. I use it for all my espresso machines. The HiBrew H10A has a 1.8-liter water tank, but I don't need to fill it up to the max line. I only need about 1 liter of water for this process. This measuring cup is 500 milliliters, so filling 1 liter is about half the tank. One part of descaling solution is about 100 milliliters. Perfect. Now let's pour it into the water tank and mix it up. Next, let's set up the machine. You can leave the portafilter in place, grab a large container that can hold more than 1 liter of water, and place it under the spout and steam wand. Turn on the machine and wait for it to heat up. Once it's ready, press the double shot button and the steam button simultaneously for about 2 seconds. You'll hear a beep and the lights will become solid. Press the double shot button to start the descaling process. The machine will dispense about 500 milliliters of water through the brewing unit. Once the water stops dripping, turn on the steam knob and press the steam button to descale the steam unit. This will dispense another 500 milliliters of water through the steam wand. This process takes about the same time as the previous one. The whole descaling process takes about 5 minutes. Now turn off the steam knob. Then remove the container and clean it. Refill the water tank with clean water and run the descaling cycle again to rinse out any remaining solution. Don't forget to clean the portafilter and group head, as some descaling solution might be left over there. And there you have it. Your HiBrew H10A is now nice and clean. It's time to brew some coffee to reward myself. Let's talk about how often you should descale your machine. It depends on the water hardness in your area. If you have hard water, descale every 3 months if you brew coffee daily. For softer water, every 6 months should do the trick. This machine doesn't show an alert, but some machines might remind you when it's time to run a descaling cycle. Descaling is important because it stops minerals like calcium and magnesium from building up inside your machine. This buildup can mess with your machine's performance, causing inconsistent brewing temperatures and reduced water flow, and it might even damage the internal components. Regular maintenance like this not only makes your coffee taste better, but also prolongs the life of your machine. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more coffee tips and reviews. See you next time.